Select the ellipse tool. Pick a fill color. And select No Color for the stroke. Press Shift and create a small circle. Use the selection tool to place the circle on the top part of the canvas. Press Alt and drag down to copy the circle. Select both circles. Right-click on them and select Group. Double-click on the Rotate tool. Rotate 20 degrees. Then select Copy. Press Ctrl+D until the circle is finished. Use the selection tool to select all the circles. Right-click on them and select Group. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Make the angle 10 degrees. Make one copy. Connect the horizontal and vertical scale. Lower the scale until the dots are small enough. Increase the amount of copies. Adjust the scale and the amount of copies until you're happy with the effect. And that's how you create this dotted spiral.